Clue. It's Tatyana and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are staying well and safe and beautiful. I've been staying busy creating some amazing new looks, new colors, new techniques, new glam, and I want to share them with you guys. Today, we're going full glam. But first, I gotta thank Visible. They were so kind to sponsor this video. So don't go anywhere and I'll be right back.
How could you?
Katrina! I was just sharing my Visible Party Pay link. If 3 people join, I'll get wireless for $25.
You no good data.
No, my love! Visible has unlimited data, powered by Verizon. And if Miranda joins, we all save money.
Money, I love money.
Okay, I'm back, so let's jump right into this. Our first step in this full glam tutorial is the brows. So you want to make sure that you start with clean, dry brows. I'm going to be taking my dip brow pop
a few moments later.
tweezers and squeeze them together. Then I do the same thing for the other eye. Place the lash in the center and then apply the corners. And here's the final look with lashes.